In front of me is an LG Q60, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm going to use the home screen. So whatever the content is, you want to have it open on your screen and visible, like my home screen is. And from there, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. So you'll get this flash and like a minimization. And then you get a thumbnail for a moment where you can either remove it, edit it, or share it. And after a moment it disappears, so you have the three options right there if you want to quickly do something with it. And the screenshot itself can now be found also if you chose to not delete it, and the screenshots in your gallery. So you can see it right here. And from here you can still do the same thing, like edit, share, and delete, so don't worry. And yeah, that is basically how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.